Welcome to Anatolia, the universal culture of humanity, and to Turkey, the cradle of civilization. One of the most important centers of the world cultural inheritance, Turkey is a bridge of civilizations between Asia and Europe, with its unique natural beauties and geopolitical position. Beyond being one of the earliest settlements of mankind, Anatolia has embraced dozens of civilizations throughout history. As the farming culture and the generosity of nature run in our blood, we take pride in conserving and handing down the inheritance of the Hittites, Phrygians, Eurasians, Romans, Byzantines, Seljuks and Ottomans through the following generations for the common future of humanity. Anatolia was home to giant leaps in the cultural history of humanity. Additionally, Anatolian agrarian culture, the source of many firsts in the world farming history, such as the drip irrigation system used in Ephesus, is also the main factor determining the patterns of our way of lives. The prosperity of nature and land has never been out of our lives. Our love has been cultivated by the land. That is why, in Anatolia, harvest is the time of rejoicing, of festivals. Our sons and daughters are named after the thousands of flowers on our mountains. Home to reverse tulips, snowdrops and lilies, Turkey is at the crossroads of three different biodiversity centers, namely the Euro-Siberian, Mediterranean and Iran-Turan regions, where also the cereals and horticultural crops first emerged. With the 12,000 plant varieties in Turkey, 3,900 are endemic, making Turkey the center of one of the most important genetic resources all over the world, particularly considering the 2,400 endemic species in the continental Europe. Turkey is the homeland of many agricultural products, which accompany the nutritional culture of civilization for ages, such as wheat, barley, chickpea, lentils, olives, apples, cherries, and pistachios. Turkey, where the conservation of biodiversity goes back to the 1930s, prides itself on having 2 national gene banks, as well as collections of 16 research institutes in 2010, the International Year of Biodiversity declared by the United Nations. With its capacity of 250,000 seeds, the National Gene Bank in the capital, Ankara, is among the first 3 in the world. Turkey has also a rich potential in terms of animal genetic resources. In Anatolia, the homeland of sheep, goats and cattle, our ministry has placed animal genetic resources under protection through 41 registered genotypes and 2 gene banks. Well aware of the steadily increasing world population, changing consumer trends and the need for safe food, Turkey was, is and will be at the service of humanity, with 40% of its total surface area consisting of fertile arable land. In the light of this vision and responsibility, Turkish agriculture has a vital importance for the population of 1 billion within its hinterland. Besides being the world leader in the production of dried fig, hazelnut, seedless raisin and dried apricot, Turkey has a considerable potential in the farming of 150 products, including but not limited to poultry, meat, fish, cotton, sunflower, tea, strawberries, tomatoes, maize and olive oil. Today, with the efficient use of information technologies in agricultural extension and the success in implementing the common agricultural policy, Turkey has come a long way in the harmonization process with the European Union. targeting integration with the world's leading markets, not as a rival, but as a partner. Turkey now promises a sustainable notion of agriculture, which has a high potential of producing scientific information and living up to world standards in production. As Turkey, we are ready and willing to do our full share of work to solve the challenges of drought, global warming, and biosafety before they cause even graver problems for the future generations.